Good evening, everybody. Today I am going to explain England Gambit's rap. Okay, rap 2, Queen rap 1. Okay, first move is D4. First move is D4. Okay, this name is called Queen's Phone King. The first move of black turn is E5. Okay, this is called England Gambit. Okay, the next move of this chess game. So D cross E5. Okay, after that bishop C5, bishop C5 and knight F3. Okay, knight F3, E5 and knight F3. Next move is D6. Okay, here a good idea is to pre-move the move knight E7, making it look like a blunder. Knight E7 is a look like E7 is a blunder. So after that, white turn, white going to play E cross D6. Okay, then the black move is beautiful turn of black turn. Black going to move knight E7. Okay, after that D cross E7. This is a blunder, I think. Now attack the queen, wrap the queen easily in the black pieces. Okay, next move is bishop cross F2 and beautiful check. Now white need to move the queen to F2 and the white pieces should be cut the F2 bishop with the E1 king. The bishop deflects the king and the only legal move is to take it. Okay, if take E cross D6 and perfectly, the black move is queen cross D1. Okay, now wrap the queen. Okay, next move is E3. If they play E3, don't do take the dark square of bishop. They will create a discovered attack on your queen. Just take the pawn on C2 instead. Next move is the 7th move of this game. Queen cross C2 and beautiful check. That's it.